Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Dennis and welcome back to 1 Year 365 and welcome back to Protector of the Solar System. And today, this is part 8 out of 10 part. Almost there. We are now talking about Neptune, which is the 8th planet or the last planet. Yes, the last planet because, Pluto was actually since 20 something, I forgot. Pluto was no longer considered as planet because of, how it's more like dwarf planet, I think. I have no idea because of it's very far. The orbit is kind of weird as well. It's like the furthest, and it doesn't meet the criteria as a planet in the solar system. So yeah, kind of sad for Pluto. But anyway, we're not gonna talk about Pluto. That'll be for the next one in part 9. But yeah, this is part 8. We'll actually talk about Neptune. So previously we talked about Uranus, and apparently Uranus and Neptune is kind of similar. It's like twin, but we'll see how twin or how identical this planet is. So yeah, Neptune it is. So this is also ice giant, not gas giant actually. So this is not gas planet, unlike Jupiter and Saturn. It's actually ice planet, I guess. So yeah, we'll see. What about that? Neptune is the eighth planet from the Sun. Okay, the farthest known planet in the solar system. Yeah, already mentioned why. Um, Third most massive planet and the densest giant planet. Oh, that is very dense. Okay, we'll see how dense it is by the specific gravity, I guess. It is 17 times the mass of Earth. Okay, heavier, slightly more massive than its near twin Uranus. Okay, so it's bigger than Uranus. Neptune is denser and physically smaller than Uranus because its greater mass causes more gravitational compression, okay, of its atmosphere. Being composed primarily of gases and liquids, it has no well-defined solid surface. Okay. So is it ice giant or gas giant then? Huh. I mean, it's kind of the same as Uranus, right? So maybe it is actually ice giant. I don't know, but we'll see. Okay, this is it. Blue. Okay, the color is blue. Photograph taken by NASA's Voyager 2 in 1989. That is a long time ago. That is 34 years ago, 1989. Kind of crazy how, we have moved on so far in 2000 era actually. Um, yeah. Let's see here. Discovery. Yeah, whatever. Adjective. Neptunian. Okay. Or Poseidon. Neptunian is probably it. So if you live in Neptune, you will be called Neptunian. Okay. Okay. Inclination. Inclination. Okay. 1 degree. Yeah, like what is it? Uranus was like very, like tilted, right? It was like 90 something degree, I think, which is actually perpendicular. So yeah. Let's see here. Known satellite is only 14. Okay. Despite of it being, like a massive planet, it still has a lot of satellites, though. Don't get me wrong, but compared to, like Uranus, Saturn, and Jupiter, this is kind of, like a lower number. So yeah. Um, Radius 3.8 times of Earth. Okay, oh, it's not that far off actually. It's just 4 times kind of bigger. Okay. Surface area will be 15 times of Earth. Okay. Volume will be 57 times of Earth. Okay, that is kind of heavy. Compared to the radius and the mass. The volume. Oh, it's just volume. It's not mass. Okay, mass is 17 times. Okay, okay, so it's normal. Gravity or density 1.6. Okay, it's not that dense though. 1.6, huh? Wasn't there previously like there is something else that is bigger than this? Or maybe not, I don't know. But 1.6, which means that if you throw this planet into a lake, it will actually sink completely. So yeah. Let's see here. Axial tilt 28 degree, yeah, normal. The temperature will be minus 200 degrees Celsius. That is very chill, very cold. So yeah. Volume composition, okay. Hydrogen again, helium, methane, yeah, yeah. I see volatiles, yep. So, okay, it's a gas planet still, but is it ice giant or gas giant? I don't know. Um, Not visible to eye. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Like the gas giants, Jupiter and Saturn, atmosphere is composed primarily of hydrogen and helium. Yeah. Uranus, similar to Uranus, interior is primarily composed of ices and rock. Okay. Both planets are normally considered ice giants to distinguish them. Yeah. Okay. There you go. So it is actually ice giants. Okay. Along with Rayleigh scattering, whatever that is, don't care. Yeah, history, I guess it's the discovery. Okay, interesting. Let's see here. Naming, okay, name is Neptune, obviously from the Neptune, right? The King Neptune. Okay. Status. Okay. Physical characteristics. Okay. A size comparison of Neptune and Earth. Okay. Let's see here. Well, that is if it can load. Okay. Oh, so it's kind of the same as Uranus. Okay, because previously Uranus was also kind of this size. Unfortunately, there is no picture, like a Uranus and Neptune side by side. So yeah, okay, this is the same mantle, upper atmosphere, lower atmosphere, core, kind of the same as Uranus. Okay, atmosphere. What is that? Okay. Time lapse video of Neptune and its moons. Okay, cannot play video here, unfortunately. Okay. At high altitudes, atmosphere is 80% hydrogen and helium. Yeah, again, another question. Like, what happens if you set the atmosphere on fire? Like, do this planet then turn into sun or not? I have no idea, but yeah, I mean, it's kind of difficult, right? I mean, you could probably, like, if you build rocket and then let it, autopilot its way towards Neptune, and then it crashes, spark fire and it burns. I mean, it's possible. So I don't know. Let's see here. High altitude clouds. Okay. Oh, this is the clouds. If you look from the space, huh? Okay, that is interesting because like Earth, mostly Earth is covered with clouds, right? So yeah, this one it forms like a line, which is interesting. Okay. Let's see. Magnetosphere. Yeah, whatever. Climate. Okay, it also has climate. The great dark spot top, where is it? Don't know. Scooter middle white cloud and the small dark spot bottom with contrast exaggerated. Okay. Weather is characterized by extremely dynamic storm system. Okay. Um, Reaching supersonic flow. Oh, that is actually very big storm there. Imagine that the wind speed is actually similar to sound speed, which is kind of insane. So yeah. Let's see here. What else that is interesting? Because of seasonal changes, the cloud bands observed to increase in size and okay. Oh, that is interesting. So they have also climate and it will affect the cloud formation. Okay, during certain climate or weather, it will become thicker. Maybe during summer it becomes thinner. I have no idea. Maybe not. No idea. What is this? Okay. And then this one, yes, just more pictures. Okay, I'm just gonna skip all this orbit and rotation. Okay, it kind of is the same as other planets. The tilted, axis. It's not like Uranus where it's like a tilted, 90 degrees, which is basically perpendicular. So yeah, okay, there you go. Neptune. Sun center and the light blue represents Uranus. Okay, so it's actually slow. Okay, and then there is Earth as well down the line there. Okay, so it's very very long. Okay, so yeah, Uranus will move two times, and then after that Neptune will move once. Okay. Let's see here. Okay, Kuiper belt and orbital resonance. Yeah, whatever. Um, okay, formation and migration. Okay, let's see here. Yeah, there's that. Moons. Okay, it has 14 satellites, I think. Yep. Okay, 14 moons. Triton is the largest moon. Okay, Triton. Interesting. Yeah. What is this? Neptune's rings and moons viewed in infrared. Huh. Okay, so it's infrared. Also, it has rings as well, just like Uranus and Saturn, which is interesting. Still have no idea though how the ring formation is made in the first place. But yeah, observation. Okay, more picture movement of Neptune. Okay, couldn't see this one as well. Yeah, yada yada. Exploration. Yeah, Triton. Yes. Whatever. And yeah, that is it. That is it. Unfortunately, there is no side by side picture comparison of Neptune to Uranus. Unfortunately, so we can't really tell how how similar in size it is for Uranus and Neptune. But I guess we have the comparison with Earth, and obviously it's bigger than Earth. So yeah, maybe it's actually the same. But anyway, I think that will be it for this one. This is part 8 out of 10 part of the protector of the solar system. Tomorrow, or I don't know, a few days from now, maybe I have no idea. We'll actually continue with the what is this called? Pluto. Okay, Pluto. It's no longer the planet, but I'm just gonna keep mentioning about it. Protector of the solar system, which is fine. So yeah, we'll see. The reason why Pluto was kicked out of the planet, the naming of the planet. I mean, the Pluto itself is still there. It's not going anywhere. It's not like once it's no longer considered as planet, it's gone. No, it's not. It's still there. So yeah. Anyway, Station Stealthy. I will see you again, maybe tomorrow, a few days from now, whenever that is, in the next 1 year 365 episode. But until then, see ya.